Hi, my name is Paige. You can see my website at www.porchproductions.net. Today we're talking about different ways to use your Mini DV Camcorder. Right now I want to talk about zoom. So what you want to do is power on your camcorder. You can either use your eyepiece to look through, which uses less battery charge, or you can use your LCD screen, which moves around. It kind of shows you everything that you're seeing in your frame a little bit easier. To zoom, this is called your zoom ring here. This is focus here. This is zoom. If you usually Mini DV camcorders will have either an auto set or a manual set. I always use manual because it gives me more control over my iris, my white balance, my zoom, and my focus. So if you turn it to auto, then it'll automatically do it for you, but generally you'll get blurry to clear or clear to blurry a lot more if you're filming an event than if you were to just do it yourself. So when you zoom, your zoom ring moves accordingly. You probably have two ways to zoom, on the camera here and on here. Now if I'm shooting something and I want a slow zoom, I have a preset handle zoom 1, 2, or 3. 3 is going to be a lot faster than 1. So if I want a slow zoom in, I'll put it on 1. If I want a faster zoom in, I'll put it on 3. My fastest zoom is going to be here with this control. Also, a great thing to know about zoom is it in general is a little bit more dynamic if you're able to zoom yourself. A little bit more cinematic than if you were to zoom manually. But sometimes you can't get into the game if you're, filming Little Billy's soccer game. So you want to use your zoom, but to maybe go slower, use your handle zoom presets to go faster or slower. And that's generally how you zoom in. And once you zoom, you're going to have to adjust your focus. So now we'll talk about that.